So welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make curry leaf rasam. This is a very healthy and an immunity booster. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add a teaspoon of peppercorns and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. To this add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chilli. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a pan and to this add 2 cups of fresh curry leaves. Dry roast for 2 minutes in medium flame. Now after 2 minutes the curry leaves are nicely roasted, so off the flame and allow it to cool completely. Then grind it to a coarse powder and keep it ready. Then heat a mud pot. To this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies and a pinch of asafoetida. Give it a quick mix. Then add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of curry leaf powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mushy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add half cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now our delicious curry leaf rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity booster. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this curry leaf rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.